Hello, my name is Richard Caldwell, an author and teacher trainer from Birmingham in the United Kingdom. I'm going to give a workshop in Moscow on the weekend of the 19th and 20th of October on teaching, listening, decoding. The full title of the workshop is Teacher Knowledge and Classroom Activities for Teaching, Listening, Decoding. The major premise of the workshop is that at the moment we test rather than teach listening. The belief seems to be that there's nothing to teach about speech that is not already done in the pronunciation syllabus. But there is something to teach, and it is not in the pronunciation syllabus. In the teacher knowledge component of the workshop, I will explain what these things are that we can teach. You're not told this in your teacher training. And in the classroom activities component of the workshop, I will demonstrate activities which can be used at all levels, which will promote effective decoding in the listening classroom. I'm really looking forward to giving this workshop in Moscow. Do join me. See you there.